going through depression? Let's take a few moments to tap with me. Simply close your eyes. Let's become aware in the scale of 0 to 10, how strong is this depression? Know the number? Start tapping, start working. Say, even though I have this strong depression, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have this strong depression, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. I forgive myself even though I'm going through this depression. I'm feeling low, not so much power, don't want to do anything, feeling down, yet I love myself, I accept myself, and I forgive myself. Under the nose, this depression. Temple, this depression. Under the nipple, chest, this depression. From shoulder downward to the hand and throw the energy, this depression. Just take out the energy and let this depression go out. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Tap on the thumb. This depression, this anxiety, feeling low, skip this, and small finger, feeling down, want to cry but cannot cry. Cannot cry. Now tap between your small and ring finger. Do this quickly for me. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look to the right, to the left. Turn your eyes around, other way around. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sing any song that you like. Count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Scale in the 0 to 10 where you are. Is it going down? Congratulations. Keep tapping a few more times this way and your depression should go in minutes.